students, welcome to our math class. I'm your Niru ma'am and today I'm going to teach you chapter number 6, Symmetry and Patterns. Symmetry, we can observe symmetry all around us. We can see symmetry in man-made as well as in natural things. We can see symmetry in monuments, flowers, leaves, insects, etc. So what is symmetry? Symmetry, if a figure can be divided into two equal parts, then it shows the symmetry. Let's take an example of smiley. This smiley I have divided into two equal parts about this line. Look, the two half of this smiley. One eye is here in this part and one eye is in this part. Half of the smiley is in this part and half of the smiley is in this part. If we fold this figure along this line, the two halves exactly match with each other. The line which divides this figure into two identical halves is called line of symmetry. So students, let's do an activity for better understanding. Now children, look here. I have this rectangle. I have folded it into two parts just from the center like this. Now I will cut any pattern on it after folding. So I am cutting a pattern on it like this. One more like this. Now one more from this side also. You can try it at home. Now I am going to open it. I have opened it in this way. Now you can see this is the half, and when I open it, the same pattern is going to be repeated on both sides. The line which I have cut is dividing it into two parts. If I cover it like this, one half is identical to the other half like this. When I cover it like this half is same as this half. So this figure shows symmetry, and this line where I have folded is the line of symmetry. Children, look, this is the picture of heart. If we fold this figure along this line, the two halves exactly match with each other. The line which divides the figure into two identical halves is called line of symmetry. Now, let's see some more examples. Look, in this picture, the dotted line divides the house into two equal parts, and this dotted line is called line of symmetry, and the figure is symmetrical. There are three types of line of symmetry. First is vertical line of symmetry, second is horizontal line of symmetry, third is diagonal line of symmetry. Some pictures are having one line of symmetry. Some are having two lines of symmetry, and some are having more lines of symmetry. There are some pictures which have no line of symmetry. Now, symmetry in shapes. An equilateral triangle has three lines of symmetry. A square has four lines of symmetry. A rectangle has two lines of symmetry and a circle has many lines of symmetry. Now, symmetry in letters. Some letters are having vertical line of symmetry, some are having horizontal line of symmetry, and some are having both lines of symmetry. The letters having horizontal line of symmetry are B, C, D, E, and K. The letters having vertical line of symmetry are U, V, A, T, Y, M, and W. The letters having both line of symmetry are X, H, and O. Now, symmetry in numbers. There are some numbers between 0 to 9 which are symmetrical. The numbers having line of symmetry are 0, 3, and 8. Now we are going to study a very interesting topic, patterns. Where do we generally see patterns? We see patterns on dress materials, floor tiles, grills, and on many more things. When a design is repeated in a uniform way, we call it a pattern. A pattern consists of a series of figures or numbers arranged in an order. Here I have drawn some diagrams. Can you see any difference on them? Yes. In this figure, red color is on this side. In this figure, red color is on this side. In this figure, red color is on this side. In this figure, red color is on this side. Now, in the next figure, red color will be in this side. Yes, very good. Now, in the next figure, red color will be in this side. Now we are going to study some basic types of pattern. First type of pattern is repeating pattern. Look, in this example, first figure is of circle, then triangle, then square. Again this is circle. After that which will come? Triangle. After that square. Look, in this pattern, these three basic figures are repeating again and again. Now, in the next example, apple, then berry, then mango. After apple, what will be the next? The figure of berry. After that, the figure of mango. Now, the next one is increasing pattern. Here in this example, there is one triangle. After that, two triangles. After that, three triangles. So, what will be the next? There will be four triangles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the next example, 2, then 4, then 6, then 8. What will be the next? Next will be 10. After that, it will be 12. So, in this pattern, numbers or figures are increasing in a particular order. Now, the next one is decreasing pattern. Look, in this example, this flower has 6 petals. This flower has 5 petals. And this flower has 4 petals. So, next will be 3 petals. Now, in next, there will be 2 petals. Now, in the next example, 16 is there. After that, 14. After that, 12. What will be the next? The next will be 10. And after that, it will be 8. So, in this pattern, numbers or figures are decreasing. So all the pictures, all the diagrams, all the numbers are moving in a particular order. So this is a pattern. I hope what we have discussed today is clear to you all. You can practice at your home with some more shapes and numbers. So keep learning children. Bye and have a nice day.